So if I was to tell you that this is a full face of only concealers and powder, will you believe me? Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. In this video, I'm only using concealers and powders. Just so you can... just to show you that you can get a full face look just only using concealers and powders. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and watch how I create this look only using concealers and powders. Also, I'm doing my liquid lipstick method as a liner again. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, guys. Here's my No Problem primer by In Touch Soul. I'm just gonna apply that a couple of pumps all over the face. Oh, y'all, this primer feels so smooth and it smells good. It smells like baby lotion. Okay, you wanna always make sure your face is good and primed. I usually go with the brows next, but since I'm not doing a full face foundation, we're just doing concealers, I'm gonna get right into that. So okay, so when I'm only using concealers, I usually just use 3 concealers, one to highlight, one closer to my skin tone, and one to contour. So the 3 that I chose is my Fenty and my LA Girl Pro. So in the LA Girl Pro, I usually use Fawn, that's closer to my skin tone. And in the Fenty, the color 370, which is this one, that's my highlight shade, which is more of a soft highlight shade for me. And the Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the color 490, yeah, 490, that's for my contour. So these are the 3 shades that I'm gonna go with for my concealers. So starting off with the LA Girl Pro and Fawn. I usually do this last, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. So usually I don't do it, but I've been having some breakouts, hormonal breakouts. So while I'm treating it, so I can lighten, I just conceal it. So I usually just use powder, you know, down there. And if you don't wish to conceal this area, if you don't have any spots of hyperpigmentation or whatever, you can skip this step because that's where the powder's gonna go. But I'm concealing it because I have a little light hyperpigmentation going on right there. And I have, my eyes is naturally made like that through here, with this coloration. I don't wear glasses. Have good eyesight, thank God. So I always use a color close to my skin tone through here, because it's just naturally dark through there. I can wear glasses and I don't. And I'm using the same color in the LA Girl Pro, just closer to my skin tone. I'm gonna blend that out. So now I'm going with my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer and the color 370. That's for my highlights. So I'm gonna hit the spots where I want that highlighted look. I usually go ahead and apply my contour shade and blend it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out and then apply the contour shade. So now I'm going in with my contour shade, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in 490. I'm gonna go over my eyelids with the same color as my skin tone, which is in the LA Girl Pro and Fawn. My RCMA No Color Powder. The face powder I'm going to use is my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in Matte Tan. Using my Moda powder brush. Now to set the contour, my palette is breaking more and more. I just need to get another one, but I'm going to use this all the way up before I get another one. My Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Ebony, using my e.l.f. contour brush. The blush and highlight, I'm going to use my Wonder Beauty Wondrous palette. And I'm going to use Havana Nights for my blush and City Lights as my highlight. I'm gonna go all over my lid with the color of my Voss Pro HG palette and the transition. Now time for liner. So liner, I'm gonna do my lipstick method that I tried last time. So this time I want to try a nude color liner. I never tried a nude color liner. I always go with like something bright, colorful, or black. So I'm gonna go with my Glam with Mesha lipstick. This is one of my go-to nude color lipsticks. So I'm gonna try that in the liner just to see how nude color liner looks on me. I'm gonna do my mascara and my lashes off camera. Be back. Okay, lashes on. I popped my lashes on, my Lilly lashes. Time for the lipstick and the brows. So the lipstick, of course, I'm gonna use my Glam with Mesha, and that's in the color Slay All Day. I forgot to mention that when I was using it as a liner. I'm going to gloss it up with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and Fenty Glow. Now time for the brows. The brows, I'm going to use my iconic London brow cushion that I got in my BoxyCharm, and this is in medium. This is an eyebrow cushion, and since I tried it, I absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you guys how I look once again. So it's an eyebrow cushion, and when you dip the brush in there, there's a liquid in there. It's like a stamp, as I explained once before. So I'm gonna, I usually go with the lighter brown color. Did I tell y'all how much I love this angle brush? Like, this is like the perfect angle brush for your brows, y'all. They did that with this brush. I'm gonna zoom it in close so y'all can see how precise this brush is. Like, for real. Just dip it in there. I don't know if I showed this before. Just dip it in there. Y'all see the liquid that comes out? And then just apply it. Okay, y'all, this is the completed look using only concealers and powders. It looks like a full face foundation, but it's way lighter. It really feels like I have on nothing. Like, seriously. I can feel the lashes, of course, but even though those are light, but I can still tell. But hope you guys enjoyed the video and watching me do this concealer powder look. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for all your support. Stay tuned for the next video. Be blessed. Bye.